Yo, what's going on YouTube? TechnicallyTee. You already know what time it is. It's Sunday night, so you already know we get into a new episode of the series YouTube Uncut. Episode 4, man. We're going to talk a little bit about these teams out here because I got some advice for people who are just starting out YouTube and some advice from people who may have just started their journey on YouTube. Now, before I get started, man, I know you like, yo, T, you got the merch on. When is the merch going to be available? I actually am taking a step back because I ordered this from Teespring just to see what the quality was like, and technically, I'm not a huge fan. I'm not a fan of the quality at all. The print on it is just not up to my standards because, you know, I like my mess to be at a certain quality, and this right here isn't it. Now, this is the premium fit. I love the fit, but the print, not my style. So the merch is a little bit delayed until I find a company to where that print is A1. This right here isn't A1, so just wait on it. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But let's go ahead and get into the episode team. So this brings up a topic, man, that I've strongly felt about, and once again, how I move about this YouTube scene and how I feel about so-called teams. Now, people will say, and a lot of coaches, a lot of everybody will say, having a team to where you can bounce ideas off of each other and things like that is a good thing to do. Now, I'm not taking that away from somebody. If you got a team of real people who you know are really down for you, then I'm pretty sure you can really make great strides out there in doing what you're doing. You know, there's a lot of teams out there right now that's actually, you know, they're doing that. They're doing their thing. They're all helping with each other and they all bouncing ideas off each other. And they're making the thing work. Where I say, and I'm going to kind of be the black sheep because, you know, I'm always playing devil's advocate when it comes to these things, but somebody has to do it, man. You always can't follow the straight path. I'm going to say, don't join any teams, man. Just do you and have your own ideas. You have all these ideas in your head. You just have to go back there and get them. You have to bring them out. Now, if you do find yourself getting into one of those teams that's actually working for you, more power to it. But if you are in a team, I'm going to say don't share everything, man. You keep some stuff for you. Don't let everyone know what you're doing because there's going to be times, man, say you're up in a team and what you don't want to happen is say somebody gets an opportunity to maybe get one up on you, or not really one up, but they get a once in a lifetime opportunity. Maybe, might be once in a lifetime, but an opportunity comes their way. They may not be as down for you as you think they are, man, because just as somebody say, yo, bro, I'm with you, man, we're gonna get into this thing together, and at the same time, they could turn your back on you, man, and leave you cold and high and dry, and that's not a cool thing to do. So this is why I say be very careful when it comes to these teams, man, because everybody is not your friend on YouTube. YouTube is a cold place. From the outside looking in, I see plenty of people on Twitter. I see plenty of people, my subscribers are like, yo, you guys have an excellent community. You guys are so supportive. Yes, there are a lot that is very supportive, very helpful, man, very real and down to earth. But you also have another group, and I'm not saying a group of people. You just have another side of people, another section of people who aren't necessarily down for you, man. Everybody who say they're smiling in your face are not down with you, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So please be careful. New creators, if you're seeing this video, be careful, man. It's just a warning that I'm putting out there to you. Now, of course, if you're gonna do what you wanna do, you're your own person. The creative side is in you. You just have to find out how to bring it out. The creative side is there. Everybody has a creative bone, but can you get to it is the thing, man. And don't feel like you have to join a team, or don't feel like you have to talk to somebody else for you to bring it out, man. Just keep doing it. Keep creating this content. Keep getting better, and ideas are gonna slowly come to you, man. I feel like from my journey on YouTube, from starting off with 0 to now 13,000, I haven't used a team at all, man. I'm not saying that's a good thing. Sometimes there are times where you wish you could bounce an idea off of somebody or ask somebody how they feel like this. But honestly, I ask my subscribers because you guys are the ones that's watching me. You guys are the ones going to give me the real feedback, not anybody in my team. There's plenty of teams out there that needs to give feedback to some of their people within the team, but I don't even think they're doing it. That's not real to me. You see what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is don't feel like you have to join a team, man. You are your own person. Why'd you create a channel? I'm pretty sure you the one that created a channel. You wanted to create a channel. Don't feel like you gotta rush out there and be a part of a team. You are your own best person, man. And no, you're not gonna do yourself wrong. Don't set yourself up to get disappointed by somebody else, is what I'm saying in the long run. And you guys already know what I always say, man. I am no professional. I don't try to coach anybody, but once again, I like to keep it real. These are things that nobody's gonna tell you. Everybody will tell you, yeah, join the team. It's the best thing in the world. It's the greatest place to be. No, it's not, man. I don't think you should listen to that. If you wanna join a team, you tread lightly if you want to do that. I'm not telling you not to completely. If you wanna do it, but I suggest you kind of stick to yourself, man. It'll cause you a lot of headache at the end because you don't wanna be put in that situation where somebody turns their back on you. When they used to be fam, when they used to be crew, but a situation comes up where they can get a benefit out of it, what happened, man? Like, that's just not a cool place to be, man. But let me know down in the comment section below. Once again, you already know a lot of people aren't gonna like these videos, but look, I don't care about dislikes. I don't care about who don't like the video. I'm gonna keep it real for the people who actually want to hear it. You guys want to you want me to keep putting out these episodes, so I'm gonna do it, man. If there are any more topics that you want to hear me talk about, because sometimes it's hard for me to bounce off topics, but once again, yeah, it might be cool to get into a group so they can give me topics. But you know what? You just wait for a little bit of topic to pop up in your head. And then that's when I turn this camera on and do what I do. But yo, TechnicallyTee, I'm up out of here. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this topic. We're going to get at you next time, man. Later.